What's up, you guys? It's the Tech Playoffs, and we're back with another video, and I am super excited about this one. This is the Pixel 7 Pro and the Google Pixel Watch. The watch that we all have been waiting for many months since it's been rumored. It's finally here. It finally just arrived. I was gonna tear the boxes up and start using it, but I wanted to share that experience with everyone else. So, like I said, this just arrived. I just received it. And it's still, I haven't even pulled the tabs off. UPS just delivered it. Thank you, UPS. This is the hazel color, which is, in my opinion, the best color out there right now on any smartphone. This is more of like a greenish, grayish hue with a kind of gold, rose gold bars and camera housing. I want to see how that looks in person. I know on the images, to me at least, it looks amazing, but I want to see if that still holds true in person. Right here we have the Google Pixel Watch LTE version, as well as the same color, gold housing with this kind of grayish, greenish color on the band. So I'm going to put this to the side. Let's do the phone first, because I'm excited about this phone. So, pull the tabs off. Alright, let's go. Let it slide out. It's got a good weight to it. And it looks nice. It looks nice. Man, this thing looks so clean. It has more of like a super light green to it. It's not a gray. It's a more of a like really light green. And in some lighting, it looks different. But this is how it looks. It looks super clean. Let's take this off so we can expose the front. Ooh, this thing looks huge. I have been using the Pixel 6a for many weeks now, and this is gonna feel gigantic to me. I did have a Pixel 6 Pro. I had a Pixel 6 as well. And they feel really nice. The smaller phones, it feels compact. But this huge screen, man, is going to be amazing. It doesn't feel as curved as the previous version, which is the Pixel 6 Pro. You see it has a slight curve to it, but not too much of a curve. It's definitely a lot less curved than the previous version. You have the new camera housing in the back. So previously it was just a full black bar with the cameras below it. Now the bar blends into the side rails, and then you have these circle and oval cutouts for the camera. Man, this thing looks clean. So in the box, you get the USB-A to Type-C adapter and the charger. You get some booklets, and of course that's pretty much it, because you don't get a charger anymore with nothing. Man, this thing looks clean. So we're going to go ahead and power it up, because I still have to get through the whole setup process, but I'll skip that and then show you guys the home screen. But man, this thing looks so clean. And I love this color combination. And to my knowledge, I haven't seen another phone come out with this color combination. I could be wrong. I know the Essential phone, they did a gold in another color. It might be a green and golden green if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong on that, but I think the Essential phone did come out with a golden green device, and that phone was amazing because that phone was titanium and ceramic. So we got the boot right there. I'm gonna put that to the side real quick so that way we can unbox the watch, because I'm more excited about this. Of course, in the past I've used a Pixel, so it's going to be some new stuff, but not totally new. I know there's going to be some similarities to the old one, but this is what I was waiting for. Oh, this thing looks so clean. Look at that. Gold. Well, like I said, that kind of like light green, grayish color to the band. Man, but this watch looks so clean. So taking it off, we got some books in the back. Let's see. So Google booklet, some instructions and safety books. I'm gonna leave that there because that's not important. You have, let me slide this off. The watch right here. That looks spectacular. Man, I'm so glad they did a green one. I mean, I'm sorry, a gold one. And they didn't charge extra for it. When you go gold on Apple, stainless steel, they charge you that premium. This is the same price all the way across, whether it was silver, black, or gold. And this thing looks so polished, so clean, so elegant, man. There's never been an Android watch like this. And I had the Samsung Watch 5 Pro. And even though I prefer a bigger display, this thing looks so clean, man. On the wrist, too. Clean. Of course, this has to be charged. So we'll charge this. Let's see if we can get a boot on it. I don't know if the crown is power or the side button. Yep. And there you go. The Google logo. That I'm going to put to the side. And let's see what we have in this packaging here. So this just folds open like this. You have what I believe to be the smaller band, which I'm most likely going to use because I have smaller wrists. This slides out. So yeah, that's the smaller one. And then you have the charger. Looks pretty clean. Let's take this out the box because I'm going to have to charge the watch. Yeah, I don't want to rip this box open. But see if I can do it without ripping it. Okay. Throw that over there. So on the back of the watch, you have just a nice white silhouette in the back. Really round and curvy on the sides, similar to the Pixel Watch. And then you have the puck that's on the other side, the charging side. So I believe this magnetically attaches to the watch. And pretty nice, simple cable, white. It seems pretty long. It's not super long. It's probably like a 1 meter cable, so about 3 feet. And then we'll charge that once we set it up. Man, but there it goes. It's booting. It's booting. So I'm gonna I have to set all this up right now. I don't want to bore you guys with that process. And then once I finish with the setup, we'll come back and I'll show you guys the UI. Alright guys, we're back. And while everything is still setting up, I was able to get through the whole setup process. I paired the watch and updating all the apps. I did notice right off the bat there is a system update for the watch and for the phone. So I have to do those. This is my layout. This is what I used on my Pixel 6a. So this is what I'm going to use now. I put the Fitbit up front because I am going to test this out. It did come with 6 months of free Fitbit service. Normally that costs $9.99 a month, but they did give you 6 months free, which is amazing. So that's going to give you a good idea of if it's going to be worth paying for or not in the long run. But just the way this phone looks, I have been using it, and as you can see, there's no fingerprint on it. So this color is great for not seeing fingerprints. I know the black one shows fingerprints a lot. This one, not so much. I'm just going to be honest, man. This is my favorite color right now. I did pair the color forest green on the dials to the watch band. And then as you can see, it's the same color as the phone. The band and the housing. Gold and green. So I set up the watch. Like I said, I still have to do a system update. But just to give you a UI, I did change the watch face. This is not the stock one. If you swipe up, you're going to get your notifications. Well, like as I said, there is a system update. If you swipe down, you're going to get all your toggles for wallet, flashlight, airplane mode, theater mode, silent, battery status. So right now it's 75%. If I swipe to the left or right, I get tiles. And this is a lot of them that are preset are for Fitbit, but you do get weather and you do get heart rate right off the bat. And as you can see, this is every second where it's going to give you your heart rate. So it's live. It's real time. And then my steps. And then back to the home screen. You can tap this to get to your apps. You have Assistant, Contacts, Find My, Fitbit, Google Wallet, Hand Wash, Messages, Personal Safety, Google Play, Weather, YouTube Music. This is going to be good as well because I do subscribe to YouTube Music. That is my standard streaming service. So that's going to show up everything that I have on my phone, which is awesome. And then let's see if Google Assistant, do I have to do anything with this? Nope, that just pops up. Let's try it out and see how fast it is. Granted, there is stuff in the background that's kind of updating and stuff, but let's see how this works. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Chicago, it'll be mostly cloudy with a high of 59 and a low of 36.
And as you can see, that popped up pretty fast. It does have a really nice UI. It's pretty responsive. It is a lot faster than the Samsung watch, way faster. Samsung would stutter here and there and kind of would piss me off. It would freeze. This one so far is amazing. As you can see, you can tap anything on the home screen and it will pop up. This is calendar, no events found, and then the heart rate. Does that one have an action? No, probably not. So I went to the watch faces. They have most of them that they advertise, some that they didn't, but they're very generic, nothing exciting. I'm hoping they do add some third-party wallpapers or maybe some apps that'll support the Google Pixel Watch. But I do have to plug it in. I do have to update it, go through that process. And I want to see how the battery is. I did leave the always on display off because when the watch is down, I don't need it to light up or show any information. I just think that's a waste of battery. But that's the only thing that I switched off. This is amazing. Just the way this feels. This band is a silicone band, but I like this bracket here where you clap it into. That's amazing. On the watch, I set it up as new. I did not restore from a backup. This is the fingerprint, so it doesn't have double click to turn. So if I put my finger on it, right away it unlocks, which is pretty fast, pretty responsive. So I think it is a step up from the previous versions. I know a lot of people are saying it wasn't, but to me it feels a lot faster, a lot more consistent. And then I did change it to the 1440p resolution right off the back. Right out the box, you get a 1080p full HD plus option. So if you go to settings and you go into display, it is set to 1080p full HD plus. I did change it to 1440p quad HD because to me, I love a great display, and this has an amazing display on it. Like I said, it's fast, it's responsive. I got to go through the cameras. I'm still setting everything up because, like I said, I did it as a fresh install, not a backup. So I'm going to go through all that. I did swap out the band. I don't know if I told you guys that. I swapped out the band. It was really easy to swap out. I saw a lot of YouTubers, even really famous YouTubers, saying that this is a learning curve, that it's kind of annoying. I don't know what the hell they're talking about because the first time I pressed that button and moved it to the side, it came out right away. And then immediately as I installed the new one and put it to the left, it changed with no issue. So I don't know what the hell you guys are talking about. I think a lot of people are just trying to downplay this watch because they're Apple fans or Samsung fans or whatever the case is. I'm not biased with anything. If you see my videos, I have Apple videos, Samsung videos, Google videos. I like all tech in general. So don't knock this watch because you're trying to make it look bad. This is a very easy watch to hit the button, slide out, and remove. There is no issues with that. So whoever the hell is talking crap about this watch, just please stop because you're embarrassing yourself. So I swapped it out. I put the small one on there and went on with no issue. So I'm gonna go ahead, charge everything, update everything, test it out for a couple days, see how consistent the battery is. I heard the battery is a lot better on this. I did leave the always on display on. and we'll see how it is, man. Hopefully it's a lot better. The Pixel 6 battery was okay. It wasn't bad, it was just okay. I'm hoping this one's a lot better. As long as I can get through the day, I don't need a 2-day phone battery. As long as I can get to 8 o'clock p.m. and charge this when I'm in bed, that's all I care about. I don't need a 2-day phone. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions or concerns, leave it down below. And please don't forget to comment and subscribe. I'm always there in the comments to talk to you guys, and subscribing really continues to help me make these videos. So as always, guys, thank you for watching my videos. Have a blessed day. Peace.